Hello, this is Donald. Just wanted to create a quick video. Just wanted to show you here how the funnel builder works in the platform. So once you're logged in, you simply want to select which type of page you're trying to design. So if you are designing a capture page, you want to select this one here. That's the floating box. If you're designing a landing page or a sales page, you want to select the one that says full height. So in this case, I'm going to start with the floating box, which is the landing page. I'm going to then come over here and select one of the four options. You can either upload an image. So if you have an image, you want to upload it right here. If you're uploading an image, just make sure it's a bigger image. So a lot of times when you upload an image, if it's a small image, then it'll come up blurry. So if for whatever reason you upload a picture and it's blurry, it's basically too small. So just make sure you upload a larger image, one that's an actual background image, and that will allow you to, it will actually cover the whole screen of the actual page. So in this case, I'm just going to actually select one that's already in the system. I'll go with one of the beaches. I'll just select this beach right here. So these are backgrounds that are already built in. So I'm going to, again, I selected the beach one here. Here you can do several things. You can adjust the width of the actual content area. I'm going to leave the other area pretty much the same because it's pretty decent already the way it is. You can actually adjust the roundness right here, which is changing the roundness of the content area. You can make it square if you like, or you can make it round. So that's what I'm doing in that area. Drop shadow is pretty much the drop shadow of the background. You can make that as large as you like and add more drop shadow. If you want to increase the border, which is this right here, you can increase that width, and that will make the border thicker. So I'm going to go back to where it was. Usually keep it around that, anywhere from 1 to 3. That's normally what I usually utilize. Transparency, that is how transparent this area is here. But again, if you want to keep it the way it is, simply just click proceed without making any changes, and that will automatically use the one that we've selected for default. Now if you want to add a phone number, right now it's just simply asking for the first name and email address. If you want to add the phone number, simply select phone, and that will make the phone option appear. I usually like to make the phone optional, so that way members that don't want to include, or guests that don't want to include your phone number, it's optional there. So I usually like to put that in the box here where it says enter phone number, optional. And you can do more customizations here, but I'll keep it pretty simple for the video. You can modify the background color. Right now it's white, so if you want to make that a different color, you can do so right here by adjusting the background colors. So I'll just go with that color there. You can adjust these different things here. I'm just going to leave them the way they are and click proceed. Now here's where you select the button that goes under the actual form. You can upload your own button. So if you see a button on a page that you like, simply save it to your computer, and then you can upload it right to the platform, or you can select one of the buttons that's already in the system. So I'm just going to select one here. Now on this page, this is where you actually add your content or editable selections. So here you have the option to add your content in this area. You can add it above the actual content area, or you can add it below the content area. So normally you add it right above, and then you can also add a form right below. So that what that's going to do is going to put an editor above the form and an editor below the form. So once I have those two in place, I'm going to hit proceed. So now it's created a actual page for me. This is the template that I can now modify and add my content to, that's pertaining to my actual opportunity that I want to promote. So I'm going to now click in this area. As you can see, as you move up and down the editor, the area will highlight that you're actually editing. So if you want to edit this area, as you can see, there's a red box around this area. So you want to click that area, and now you can edit the content right here. So let's just make something pretty simple. So I'm going to add this here, make money today, for example. And then of course increase the size, hit close. So now it has the wording make money today. You can add more to that. You can add a graphic to this page. You can add an image. You can add any type of content that you would like in this exact box here. So again, simply click on the pencil. That makes the area editable, and then of course you simply move your cursor to where you would like to add wording. So you can simply add bullet points here about your opportunity. So if you would like to add several bullet points, you can do that here. And list any bullet points about your opportunity. Or if you have a video, you can come right to YouTube, copy or find the video that you would like to utilize, and then just simply copy the actual code right here. So here's a video that I just went to YouTube, found, and I'm going to put this video right on the page. I'm going to copy the code, then come right to the back office, and then simply paste that right into the page. So
hello, this is Angela.
So I have that page open there. Let me get back to the editor. So once you're here in the editor, you can simply paste this code where you want this video to go. So I copied the code right from YouTube. That's the embed code for this video. Again, I'm just simply highlighting this code, copying and pasting this code right here in this area. So I'm putting the mouse where I want the code or the video to go, and then I'm just going to simply click this icon right here that says add HTML, paste in the box, and hit insert. So that is the video added to the page, and of course you can add any wording here. Okay, please enter your email address below. So simply make that a little bit larger, and there you have it. There's an actual page that you can modify. You can change the width, and then of course once you're ready to see the changes, hit save, hit view, and now that page is live in your account. So that's how you can easily make your own capture page funnels. Now there is one more area that I can edit right here because I didn't modify that yet. So I come right back to the editor, and then I click the pencil for this area, and then of course edit the wording here. Let's see, subscribers. So something like that. Subscribers can subscribe, unsubscribe anytime. That's usually something that you can put right at the bottom under the button, and then of course that lets subscribers know that they can unsubscribe at any time simply by clicking the link that goes in the emails from our follow-up. So whether if you're using our internal autoresponder or if you're using the autoresponders that are connected to the platform. So members can actually come right here, click on the pencil, and click on form settings, and they'll actually see the different advanced options. So these are all the advanced options that allow you to tell the page where you want it to redirect after they've opted in. So we're going to redirect those people to a landing page we haven't actually created yet. So in this case, we're just going to leave it blank for now. Now, contact groups, this is the list that you want these people added to. So if you're promoting BFF, of course, you would make a content group called BFF Contacts. Or if you're promoting another opportunity, you would just come here, create a contact group, and actually call that contact group whatever the name of the contact is. So if it's another opportunity, you just put the name of that group, and if you're making a page for another opportunity, just again give it a name, which is under manage contacts, and then you just select that name. So in this case, I'm just going to keep it simple for BFF. I'm going to select BFF crowdfunding and hit save changes. Now that's going to connect anybody that opts into this page to this contact group. So that way they're going to receive the autoresponder messages from BFF platform. So that's how members can easily utilize the custom feature to make their own pages. But then again, to make sure you're actually adding the contacts to receive these follow-ups, make sure you select whichever list that you're adding or creating this page for. So that is one option. Now the other thing you can do is select a third-party autoresponder. So if you're using another provider such as Aweber, GetResponse, or any of the other ones we have integrated, you can actually come right here and select those different platforms. So let me save the changes. Okay, so I'm going to come back here. I've saved those changes, and then I'm going to click back on the pencil. So I'm editing the autoresponder that I'm wanting to connect to this page. So each page you can connect to a different autoresponder. So there are some advanced settings that you can utilize. Again, if you're using the internal autoresponder, you simply select a list from the contact group here. So you'll basically make your autoresponders in the system, add them to these follow-up messages sequences here. Now, if you're actually adding or utilizing a third-party autoresponder such as Aweber, GetResponse, or so on, you would just come right here, and that's where you can select those lists in the platform. So once you're on this page, you'll simply you just click on form settings, third-party autoresponders, and you'll see the different autoresponder providers that are already connected to the platform. So if you have an Aweber account, you can connect your Aweber. If you have GetResponse, you can connect GetResponse. Or if you haven't gotten any of them, just select one that you want to go with, and you can select those and connect it right to the platform. So I actually use Aweber, so I would just come here, enter my Aweber list ID, and hit save. Once I added that, that will connect my Aweber account to this page right here, and that will allow my Aweber autoresponder to follow up with all the prospects that enter their first name, email, and of course phone number into this area here. So that's just another option, but that's completely optional. Our system does have the built-in system, but again, if you are a marketer, want to keep a hold of your own actual list, just simply come here, click the pencil, form settings, and of course select the third-party autoresponder to connect whichever platform you may be using. So that's how you design your own capture page. Next, I'm going to show you how to design your own landing page, and then you want to come right here after you've designed your landing page and connect it to this one, so that way when members opt into this page, it's going to redirect to your actual landing page, which you come right here, hit form settings, and then you can put the redirect URL right in this box and hit save changes. So that's what we're going to do next. So stay tuned for the next video.